Hi everyone, Carol here from Infraspeak. During this module, I'll be talking to you about reactive and corrective maintenance and how easily it is to manage both through Infraspeak. Examples and use case scenarios will also be given during this video, so you'll have a clear and practical view on how to use Infraspeak according to different circumstances. All right, let's start with a common problem, a failure. Unfortunately, this kind of situation happens all the time, sometimes without warnings and sometimes at the worst possible times. Luckily, we have Infraspeak, so we can control these situations, manage our teams, and have real-time contact with our clients. But first, let's have a look at the fundamentals of reactive and corrective maintenance. The line between these two concepts is really thin. Both come from unpredictable situations, usually without warnings, and no part of your operation is safe from it. Corrective maintenance is applied when an asset has a problem that decreases its performance levels, but can still fulfill its purpose. If the asset continues to operate, we can schedule an intervention to fix the problem. Keep in mind, though, that most of the times we need to be quick fixing these situations, otherwise it may develop into a case of reactive maintenance. The term reactive maintenance is applied when an asset has a problem that blocks its functions. This kind of situation requires an immediate intervention, and most of the time it implies that we pause the job we are currently doing. With these concepts, we can now say that there is no type of failure or situation that determines the type of maintenance, but it's the impact on our operation. Like priorities in need of resolutions. How can Infraspeak help? In the following 4 videos, we will learn the basics of the work order module. How to report a work order. It can be done by managers in their offices, technicians in the field, and directly by your clients too. How to assign work orders according to staff roles, how to schedule your interventions or list of tasks, how to communicate within the work order with all people involved, such as managers, technicians, and clients. How to manage the situation's flux, and how to go through the different stages of a work order. What KPIs and time report analysis can you make? How to control stock levels, and how to build custom report templates. And that's it. We now have a brief introduction to the work orders module. I hope you enjoyed this clip. As always, you can check out more relevant information and links in the description, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. Stay tuned for our next episode and keep watching for this clip's pro tip. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Keep in mind that nothing about Infraspeak is static, and our work orders module can also work like a ticket system. Here's an example. If a technician or a client needs something that isn't exactly a failure or an issue, we can have some specific fields for those kind of requests, and the flow works simultaneously with an issue or a failure. Our platform goes beyond the simple maintenance management platform. It adapts to different sectors and operations and can be customized to fit the needs of your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.